Natembea umekuwa tu askari. And the best you could do was yes sir, afande.
That fellow called Natembeya is as much as useless.
Shika sikio.
You cannot be working with tear gas. Alafu unaanza kublame ati umetupiwa.
Wetangula Kitimba ni usingizi.
Wetangula is a clean man.
Mheshimiwa Natembeya, I'm telling you, you have no English, you have no capacity, you have no philosophy, you have no moral standing. Natembeya umekuwa tu askari. And the best you could do was yes sir, afande, yes sir.
Nenya vuribusa.